Welcome to one of the most mysterious questions in science. Can water remember substances it has touched? Is there more to water than meets the eye? Let's dive in and explore the strange and controversial idea of water memory. Water memory suggests that water can somehow retain the memory of substances it once interacted with. Sounds wild, right? It's a challenge to everything we know about water. Now, this idea isn't just a passing fancy. It's something that has stirred the imagination of scientists and the public alike, even though it's highly controversial. So, why should we care about this idea? If true, it could completely alter how we understand water's role in chemistry, biology, and even physics. What exactly does memory mean in the context of water? And could it have properties beyond the ones we know? That's exactly what we're about to explore. Stick around! In the next segment, we'll dive into how this idea first surfaced and how it caused a stir in the scientific community. The mystery has just begun. Now, let's dive into the moment when this idea of water memory first gained global attention. It all started with a controversial paper published in 1988 by Jacques Benveniste. Benveniste's paper claimed that water could remember substances it had been exposed to, even after they were no longer present. At first, Benveniste's findings were met with excitement. Could this be the breakthrough scientists had been waiting for? But soon, doubts started to surface. The results were so unexpected that many questioned whether the data could be trusted. As the debate raged on, the term water memory became synonymous with controversy. Some hailed Benveniste as a visionary, others as a fraud. This paper sparked a fierce debate in the scientific community and left us wondering, could water really have a memory? Next, let's explore how the scientific community responded to these bold claims and what followed after the paper was published. So, how did the scientific community react to this bold claim of water memory? Let's take a look at the response to Benveniste's groundbreaking paper. Many scientists immediately criticized Benveniste's findings, arguing that water does not have memory. They pointed to experimental errors as the most likely explanation. Despite Benveniste's claims, several attempts to replicate his results failed, leading many to dismiss the theory of water memory. As time went on, the mainstream scientific community remained firm in rejecting the notion of water memory, attributing it to a misunderstanding or flawed methodology. And so, the idea of water memory remained a highly controversial topic, but one that continues to spark debate and curiosity. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter, the role water plays in biological systems. Why is this important for our discussion of water memory? Let's find out. Water is essential for cellular functions, enabling everything from nutrient transport to waste removal. Without water, cells just wouldn't be able to survive. Water also plays a crucial role in protein folding, which is key to how proteins perform their vital functions in the body. Now, if water could retain a memory of substances it interacted with, it could challenge everything we know about how water supports life. Such a breakthrough would have major implications for fields like biology, medicine, and our understanding of how life itself functions. So, while water memory might sound like science fiction, its potential to reshape our view of biological processes is why this conversation is worth having. Now, let's turn our attention to some recent developments that might give us a glimmer of hope in understanding water memory. Could it be possible that new research will shed light on this strange idea? Advancements in molecular biology and quantum physics are reopening the door to water's mysteries. Researchers are studying the behavior of water at the molecular level to see if there's something more than we previously understood. Some studies suggest water may have unique properties, like unusual behaviors that go beyond what we thought possible. This could be the breakthrough that changes everything. While the idea of water memory still raises eyebrows, new findings hint at the possibility that we don't yet fully understand the behavior of water at the quantum level. The research into these behaviors opens up the possibility of re-evaluating the concept of water memory. Maybe there's more to water than we can currently explain. In the end, while we may not yet have all the answers, these developments suggest that the mystery of water memory might just have a kernel of truth. The journey is far from over, and now we arrive at the final chapter of our journey into the mystery of water memory. What do we know today? Well, let's dive in. Today, the concept of water memory still lacks strong support from the scientific community. Most scientists remain skeptical, and the idea is largely dismissed. But that doesn't mean the conversation is over. Despite this, water memory continues to provoke discussion and research. More and more people are starting to look into the strange properties of water and its role in biology, with some even revisiting quantum theories. Even though mainstream science rejects water memory, growing interest in alternative water properties hints that we may not have explored everything water has to offer. Water's role in biology and its potential quantum properties might hold the key to breakthroughs that could change how we think about life and science. While we might not have all the answers just yet, the ongoing curiosity about water suggests that its mystery is far from over. The quest for understanding continues. If you want to see more intriguing discussions like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You don't want to miss out on more cool scientific mysteries like this one. And we'd love to hear what you think. Do you believe water can really have a memory? Or is it just a fantasy? Share your thoughts in the comments below.